Now that you've got your Lift Xtra, Lift Xtra comes with a cord minder to hold the steam pipe out of the way. So it's a G-clamp mechanism. So whether you've got a Laurastar board or any other type of board, it's best to put it on the opposite side of where you're ironing. So sit it on the board and then just tighten it to where you need it. So it just spins around just like a G-clamp. So once you've tightened it to the point where you're happy with it and it's not moving anymore, and give me a few seconds to do that. Once it's tight, I'll show you how to put the steam pipe through. Okay, that's done, in place. Now from this side, the way to put the steam pipe through is make sure that the cord is facing on the same side as the cord minder. So you see how the lift is set up, or the Lift Xtra is set up. The iron here, the boiler on the water on this side. What you do is grab the cord, steam pipe, and come from underneath and just do that. Okay? And that way the cord is facing the same way that you iron. Okay, so it slides freely back and forth. Alright, so just to do that again, I'll show you again. So make sure the cord minder is on the opposite side of where you're ironing. Make sure the iron sits here and the water tank is on this side. To install the cord into the cord minder, come in from underneath. Okay, just up that way and you're done. Quick and easy.